We just had our quick errands to buy our groceries, firewood and ice, and now we're heading back to Earl Rowe Provincial Park. This is gonna be our second trip to the same park. It's gonna be 3 days and 2 nights, and but in a different campsite. Come and join us. Let's go. So we already pitched our tent, we started our fire, and we sorted our things. Now just chilling by the fire reading our book. Later we will prepare our dinner. Time is 7:10 in the evening. Our dinner is steak and arugula. Wala kaming mashed potato ngayon kasi busog pa kami. Nag-brunch kami alas 4 na ng hapon. How was it? Good.
Thank you. How's your steak?
It's well done. We like it medium rare, but it's not bad. It's bedtime now. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. There's plenty of mosquitoes out. We'll see you again tomorrow. Good night. Morning. Ano oras na? 9 o'clock. Yeah, right. Good morning. The sleep wasn't bad. Every time I camp, I really had a hard time sleeping in a tent. I already took melatonin. You know what, babe? I took 1.5 milligrams of melatonin. I usually take only 1.5 milligrams. It works for me. But anyway, last night I took 1.5, so total of 3 milligrams melatonin. Still can't sleep. I had to take a leak twice. It's a bother. Waking up in nature is pretty awesome, but can't beat the comfort in your own room, right? I eventually slept around 3-ish or 4 o'clock in the morning. I was able to, so I think the melatonin finally kicked in. Yeah, that's it. You know, that's pretty some good shit. Do I look tired? Yeah, I think so. Okay, first things first, we're gonna start a fire, drink some coffee, and cook some brunch. Let's go. Morning.
Good morning. So our breakfast for today is brought to you by my hubby. So he prepared French toast, banana, bacon, and coffee.
Nice.
Okay, dig in. Dig in. Whew. French toast. French toast, everyone. So we're pretty much woke up late, but it's okay. We're only preparing brunch because it's what we decided. Kung magka-camping, we're gonna eat 2 meals a day.
brunch and dinner. Because past experiences end up us preparing every hour for meal, and then after we cook, preparation, cooking, aftercare, and then preparation again because it takes time.
Fire now is better kasi last time
Oh,
wala
yeah.
tayong axe.
Good point.
Hirap mag-start ng fire kasi nga malalaki yung wood. Now, we used our other stove because it took like 2 hours to get the water boiling.
So we're at the beach today. It's pretty hot, but it's quite nice. Just chilling while other people playing badminton, volleyball, cooking, swimming in the beach. It's pretty nice.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I hit myself. Good. I'm sweating.
I'm famished.
So we're going to prepare steak sandwich. We have steak, sour cream, arugula and spinach, and bread. You know what? Because I like spice, I'll put a hint. I'll put a hint of Tabasco. Not a hint at all. We'll see. Not perfect, but not bad. Let's go for a Coke run kasi gusto namin ng Coke.
So that'll be 452.
Alright, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good night.
day.
We're going back from our Coke run, but end up not having a Coke at all. They only have Sprite and ginger ale, and we'll see which one she likes. Walang Coke. Canada Dry Sprite.
Look what we've had. Luxury. Cold, Sprite, and ginger ale.
MVP.
Tubig. Or pag didikitin mo yung skibidi.
Ano tawag? Mugging?
Huh?
Mugging. Ganito. Oo. Totoo. Sa TikTok 30. It's late now. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. We're just gonna sit in front of the campfire for a few minutes and we're gonna hit the sack. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Good night.